Ever walk out to your garden and find your tomato plant sprawled on the ground, or beans tangled everywhere? Without a little guidance, plants can end up a mess, or even break under their own weight. The fix doesn't require fancy cages or expensive trellises, just a bit of creativity and stuff you probably already have. Today, I'll show you 4 easy plant supports you can make yourself, no special tools or skills needed. Let's get started. Let's start with the classic stake and tie, a method trusted by gardeners for generations. It's simple, reliable, and stands the test of time, no matter what you're growing. All you need is a sturdy stake, wood, bamboo, or even an old broom handle, and some twine. Many gardeners love to repurpose materials they already have, saving money and reducing waste. Simply drive the stake into the soil a couple inches from your plant. Make sure it's deep enough to stand firm, but not so close that you damage the roots. Use soft twine to tie a loose figure 8 around the stake and stem. This knot is gentle, supporting the plant without pinching, and lets it move in the breeze to grow stronger. As your plant grows, add or adjust ties as needed. Check weekly, loosen ties if they're tight, or add new ones higher up the stake. This method works for tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, beans, and even flowers. Whether you have a single plant or a whole row, stake and tie adapts to your space. At season's end, just snip the ties, pull up the stakes, and store them for next year. Most stakes can be reused for many seasons. If you use natural twine, toss it in the compost bin to break down with your garden scraps. There's something satisfying about seeing your plants standing tall and healthy thanks to a simple, effective support system. Sometimes the simplest solution is the best. With just a stake and some twine, resistenten your plants can flourish, season after season. Let's talk about one of the simplest ways to grow climbing plants vertically, the bamboo teepee. This classic structure is perfect for beans, peas, cucumbers, and flowering vines. It saves space and adds a rustic charm to your garden. To make one, gather 3 to 5 bamboo poles. Tie them together at the top with twine, and spread the legs out in your garden bed. Push each pole deep into the soil for stability. Plant seeds or seedlings around the base. As they grow, gently guide the tendrils to climb the bamboo. This keeps your garden tidy and encourages healthy growth. In a few weeks, you'll have a living tower of green. Vertical growth makes harvesting easier and keeps fruit cleaner. At season's end, untie the top and store the poles for next year. Bamboo teepees are reusable and last for seasons with minimal care. Give your climbing plants a bamboo teepee and watch them thrive. Your garden will look beautiful, and you'll enjoy bigger, healthier harvests with minimal fuss. For bushy or floppy plants, try a wire hoop. Use scrap wire, old fencing, or even a coat hanger. Bend into a wide U or circle. Push the ends into the soil around your plant to create a gentle corral. Overlap hoops for bigger or heavier plants. The open design makes it easy to prune or harvest. Wire hoops are flexible, reusable, and take up almost no storage space. If you've got floppy peas or perennials, a quick wire hoop keeps things tidy and thriving. Let's explore the beauty and practicality of the branch grid, often called pea brush, a time-honored, zero-waste way to support your climbing plants. This method has been used for centuries by gardeners who value both sustainability and simplicity. Instead of buying plastic or metal trellises, you can create a sturdy, natural support system using materials you already have in your garden. After your spring pruning, don't toss those sturdy, twiggy branches. Gather them up and set them aside. These branches, often overlooked, are actually one of the most valuable resources for any organic gardener. By reusing what nature provides, you're reducing waste and giving your plants the perfect climbing frame. To make your own trellis, simply push the thick ends of the branches into the soil around young peas, beans, or other climbers. Arrange them so the twigs fan out above, creating a loose, airy structure. This gives your seedlings plenty of places to grab onto as they grow, and allows for good airflow, which helps prevent disease. As the plants grow, they'll naturally weave themselves through the branches, forming a living lattice. There's no need for ties or string. The plants do all the work, wrapping their tendrils around the twigs just as they would in the wild. The result is a support that looks a little wild, but also incredibly charming. It blends right into a cottage or organic garden and closely mimics the way plants climb over fallen branches and shrubs in nature. This approach not only supports your plants, but also encourages a more natural, wildlife-friendly garden. If any branches break or become too brittle, simply replace them with fresh ones. At the end of the season, you can compost the old branches, returning their nutrients to the soil and closing the loop in your garden's ecosystem. This no-fuss, sustainable solution has stood the test of time, used by generations of gardeners who appreciate its practicality and low impact on the environment. It's a wonderful way to garden in harmony with nature. So next time you're pruning in spring, remember to save those branches. With just a little effort, you'll have the perfect eco-friendly supports for your spring vines and climbers, straight from your own backyard. There you have it. 4 simple, cheap plant supports anyone can make. Stake and tie for upright growers, bamboo teepee for climbers, wire hoop for bushy plants, and branch grid for wild vines. Each is quick, adaptable, and uses what you already have. Plants are forgiving. A homemade support beats no support every time. Share your own ideas in the comments and check out our upcoming videos for more garden tips.